you guys do it out there. I don't love the steering mechanism. It's just too sharp for me. I need more steer. This is just way over steer. Oh, the HRC. I don't know how you do it out there. I don't love the steering at all. It's just overturned. And when I was out there at the last minute, I couldn't control it, even on slow. I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe it's just the way the system is set up. Maybe I could readjust it, get a better controller, and do it. deerc h16E. It's an awesome little 1/16 scale. I like my Traxxas Rustler VXL a lot better. Maybe I should just purchase a Traxxas E Revo and just, So I'm going to go back to my Traxxas Rustler. Put this bad boy to the side, man. It could flip. It could be doing anything. You can have a great time with these things. Hope you enjoy your Christmas present when you get yours. Enjoy it. Don't get me wrong. I'm Fish. I say it like it is. Have a great day, everybody.